Okay, now it's your turn to have a go. Convert the following standard form into normal decimal form. Okay, so here, given this standard form, convert it to normal decimal form. So press pause and have a go. So here, if you're going to times a number, remember this number here is 10. Well, it's going to be 3 zeros. So it's 1,000. This number here is 1,000. So when you times something by 1,000, you know the answer will be bigger than 4.5. So well, you start with 4.5. You know the answer will be bigger than 4.5. So let's write 4.5 as 4.500. Write 4.5 as this number here. Okay. Now you're going to you're going to move it three places to the it's going to get bigger, so you can only move it to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3. So your answer would be right here. So let's erase this. Hang on. So your answer, well, we might as well erase all these. Irrelevant. Well, it's pointless writing 4.500 decimal. Get rid of the decimal as well. So the answer is 4,500. So this number here, this is standard form here. This is normal decimal form. So we've just converted from here to here. Okay. Now have another go here. So here you are, in effect, you are timesing it by something like this, to the power of 4. So, if you could visualize it like this. So you've got your number here times this thing here. When you times a fraction, it gets multiplied to the top. So this thing here is going to divide by this number here. So, the overall answer would be smaller. Okay, so anyway, do whatever you want to do. Press pause and have a go. Okay, so visualize this number here as 3.63, and then because I know I'm going to move the decimal in this direction here because it's a minus. I'm going to visualize it like this. Hang on, I can have as many zeros as I want. Hang on, bear with me. Okay, so now we are moving it 4 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer would be right here. So let's erase this. Hang on. Okay, so we could get rid of these now. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. So this would be our answer. This is our answer here. 0.0000363. So we've just converted this into this. This form here you'd recognize, but as we get if the number gets really small, it's really hard to write in this form. It's better to write it in this form here. But at the moment you're not used to this form yet. So when we convert it to this, you could understand this easily. But as time goes on, this is much better. The standard form is much better. Hang on. Here's another one. Here, look at this. You know the number, the overall answer will be bigger. So anyway, do whatever you have to do. Press pause and have a go. Okay, so visualize the 3.08. Visualize it as we're going to move the number will get bigger. So we're going to move the decimal in this direction here. Okay, so visualize 3.08 as 3.08. Well, visualize it as this. Lots of zeros. Now we're going to move it 6 places. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is here. Okay, the decimal is right there. So let's erase this. Hang on. So we might as well erase all of these here. And then it's pointless writing a decimal and then blank. Well, we can remove the decimal there. Okay, so the overall answer would be 1,000 million, 3,080,000. Okay, so this, again, you're not familiar with it yet, when converted to this, you could understand this with a lot more ease. But this here is actually better. You understand as you go on. At the moment, it's a bit strange, but it is much better than this form when you're talking about very large numbers or very small numbers. Okay, this one here. Yep. So have a go. Press pause and have a go. Okay, so visualize this number here as 5.001, and I know I'm going to move the decimal in this direction here because it's minus. There's a minus here. Okay, so I'm going to visualize as this with lots of zeros. Hang on, bear with me. Okay, so now we start here. Well, when we times it. When we times 10 to the power of minus 7, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the decimal is right here. Let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. So the decimal will be right here. Okay. So let's erase these here. Hang on. So this is our answer here. So we might as well get rid of this. We don't need it. We might as well get rid of this 0 as well. So our overall answer would be this here. So which is 0.0005001. And you have to have the 0 here. You have to have the 0 here. You have to have the 1 here. Okay. So this is our final answer here. Okay. Oh, and this one here. If this is not standard form, okay, because remember this is our remember a to the power of 10. Sorry, a times 10 to the power of blah blah of n. This is our normal standard form. Now a has to be less than 10. It must be less than 10. Well, here it's gone over 10, so this is not a standard form. If you want to write it, you got to well, this is the old decimal was here. Move it down here, okay. Move it over here, and then just here is 37. Change this to a 38, okay. But you can't have it in this form. This is not your standard form because the condition is that it has to be 1 or above. The A has to be 1 or above, but less than 10. This one here is 12 is bigger than 10. So if you want to rewrite it, then move it one place back, and then well, increase this by 1. Okay. Or look at this here. This is not standard form because remember the A, which is this bit here, it has to be bigger, or it has to be 1 or bigger, but less than. Less than, not less than equal. Less than 10. Okay. Well, this thing here, it's smaller than 1. It's somewhere over here. It's smaller than 1. So this is not allowed. So you probably have to move the decimal over here and then decrease this by 1 or whatever. But you just can't express it like this because this number is less than 1. Okay.